before we can move forward, we have to discuss the basic data types in Rust. Rust has 4 basic data types. These are booleans, characters, integers, and floats. Let's look at the memory representation of these types. Here we can see all of the integer types in Rust. Let's explain the naming convention. A U in the beginning of the type means that it's an unsigned integer, and I means it's a signed integer. So an unsigned integer can only be positive, and a signed integer can be positive or negative. This is the basic difference. Every integer type in Rust has these 2 flavors, unsigned and signed. And now the number after the letter indicates the size of this integer. A U8 is an 8-bit number, or 1 byte, and it can range up to 128 bits. There are also 2 special kinds of numbers in Rust, which are the usize and the isize. So the usize and the isize are architecture-dependent types. They will be 32 bits on a 32-bit architecture, or 64 bits on a 64-bit architecture. Next, we have floating point numbers. Rust has 2 types of floating point numbers, an F32, which is a 32-bit float, and an F64, which is a 64-bit float. The F64 has double the precision of F32. Okay, next we have our Boolean type. In Rust, the Boolean, as in most programming languages, can have 2 possible values, true or false. Booleans in Rust are 1 byte in size, and they are declared using the bool keyword. The last data type that we have is the char. So a char holds a single Unicode value. An important thing that we have to remember about a char is that it is always 4 bytes in size. So if we are storing ASCII characters, for example, we might be wasting space.